Your desk is your command center. It's the place where most people spend 5 to 8 hours during their workday, and how it's organized can set the tone and productivity for your day. Surveys show that most people lose 1 hour a day due to disorganization. Just think about how frantic and frustrating it can be to look for something that you need. Believe it or not, it actually takes much less time to get and stay organized. So today I wanted to share some tips on how to organize your desk for maximum efficiency. Let's start with your monitor. Your monitor should be at eye level and arm's length from your body. I have 2 monitors for maximum space while working, but if you don't require this much, then you can just use your laptop. Most desks do require that your laptop be on a riser to ensure that you aren't straining your neck, which would cause additional stress on your body. Once you add the riser, you may need to get a separate keyboard and mouse so that you don't strain your arms reaching for the keyboard. Number 2, your phone. Most of us need to have access to our phone throughout our workday, and it should definitely be kept on your dominant side to avoid having to reach across your body. Throughout your day, you should limit the amount of unplanned phone calls and distractions from your phone. So I like to keep mine on my phone stand so I don't get the urge to pick it up as often. I find that when it's laying down directly next to my keyboard, I am more likely to use it rather than when it's on the stand. Number 3, your planner. I like to keep my planner on my dominant side and keep a nice size of white space on my desk for it. It usually sits on my desk open so that I am able to easily write anything that's coming up in it. Number 4, sticky notes. I add sticky notes to my computer screen like most people, but I try my best not to add too many, and I always transfer them to my planner by the end of the day. When it comes to sticky notes, moderation is definitely the key. Framing your monitor with all of these notes isn't effective because they will lose their usefulness at some point. You definitely want to use them for short-term reminders only. Number 5, prioritize your workflow. So you only want to keep relevant and active projects and documents on your desk at any point in time. I don't keep any papers on my desk, but I do have a desk calendar where I will keep track of all of the content that I need to post. I love having this on my desk because it's a quick reminder of everything that's coming up in my business throughout the course of the month. For you, it may not be a calendar, it may be some important files that you need to have access to, but you definitely want to only keep relevant and important documents on your desk at all times. Everything else can be stored away in a file cabinet. My 6th tip is to reset whenever you need a refresh. Keeping a desk organized requires frequent upkeep and assessments. So be sure to take a weekly scan of your desk to make sure that everything still deserves a spot on your workspace. What I like to do is look at every single thing that is on the top of my desk and make sure that I am using it on a weekly basis. If I'm not using it at least once a week, then I will reassess if it needs to stay there. So I've had this desk for over 3 years and I've done a couple of desk tours on this channel. If you want to see an in-depth review of everything that is currently on my desk, I will link that above. But I definitely want to know, do you have any desk organization tips? Make sure that you leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.